As the sun shines in all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So we are going to jump right into today's video. As you guys can see from the title, you guys know what we're doing. So yeah, let's get into it. So y'all, this is going to be battle of the lock curl method. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Sharmel and I love lock curls. So I have tried various methods to get lock curls, and so far pipe cleaners are currently my favorite. So it goes pipe cleaners, perm rods, and then flexi rods are kind of last because every time I do flexi rods it's very hit or miss. But I decided to try out another method. So I'm gonna be trying out some foam rollers, y'all. I actually seen a couple of videos on TikTok and I was like, they look kind of cute. So let me see what I could see. I literally just came back from the beauty supply store. I picked up a couple of packs of these foam rollers. Y'all, these are like the old school rollers. However, they are lined with like some satin to help protect your hair and I guess to give you like a smoother curl. I got them in the size medium. So this is the measurements for them, and I've already started in the back. So per usual, I am starting with freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair earlier today, so it's still damp. It's probably like 50% dry. So I am going to be doubling my locks per roller. This pack of rollers, this pack of 10 costs $4, and I have 77 locks, so that means that I probably would have to buy 7 packs, and I really wasn't trying to do that. I do recommend looking on Amazon because you probably can find these in bulk, for sure. I'm using this Lotta Body setting lotion, but I just have it in this container because it's easier to use this way. So I'm not really doing anything differently from how I do any of my other lock curls. I went ahead and foamed it down, and then I'm gonna go in with the roller, starting at the bottom. I'm going to wrap the tip and then just kind of wrap tightly. But yeah, y'all, this is a fairly simple method compared to other curl methods that I've tried on my locks. I will say that this is one of the easier ones. The only thing that makes this a little difficult or annoying is that the rollers themselves, like the way that they snap on and off, it's not the easiest. So I think that's the only thing that really slows you down. They're kind of hard to open and close, but actually wrapping them is pretty simple and easy. But yeah, like I was saying, this method is pretty straight to the point. I think it's very beginner friendly. It is fairly quick too. I feel like from start to finish, it took me maybe 30, no more than 45 minutes. And I was also filming and recording, so I had to talk and stuff like that. So that kind of slowed me down. But overall, I think that this was the fastest method that I've done when doing any type of curls on my locks. And as you all can see, this is a no retwist curl set, but I did want like a defined middle part, so I am gonna go in with a little bit of this product just to kind of smooth out my part down the middle to make it look a little more defined. And then also, before I actually roll the locks, I am going to do like a really soft retwist, nothing too crazy. And then I'm also just going to twist the two locks together, and I only twisted just a little bit. And again, this is just to kind of make my
middle part a little more sleek and tamed, for lack of better words. This part is optional. You don't have to like twist your roots together like that. But if you don't have a retwist and you do want to, again, just kind of give it like a fake retwist kind of look, I recommend twisting just like 2 locks together. You only have to twist like once or twice. You don't have to twist it fully down, and it's just going to help flatten the roots just a little bit. As you guys can see, I have a lot of roots, and if I didn't do this, then it just would have been full, which I do that sometimes. Like, I don't mind the full look, but again, for this look specifically, I wanted a defined middle part, so that's only why I'm doing the little twist along my middle part. And this is how it looks once I'm done, y'all. Again, very simple and straight to the point. So y'all, it started off so good. I was so excited. I was looking at my head and I was like, yeah, we are going in the right direction. But this is when things start to go a little downhill. So I decided to air dry, and I didn't sit under the dryer, and I knew better, but it was hot. I'm like, I don't feel like sitting under a dryer. I didn't have plans until the following day. So I was like, okay, I have a solid 24 hours to allow these rollers to sit in my head. My hair was halfway dry before I put them in, so I'm like, it should be fully dry. And I was wrong. So as soon as I took out this first one, y'all, I was skeptical. I just knew it was about to go downhill. Look at me. But I was still trying to be positive, right? I was still trying to be optimistic, because I've done a lot of curl sets before, and sometimes you have a few that don't come out all the way right, but as a whole it'll look good. So this one gave me a little hope. I'm like, okay, this one's curling a little bit. But when I unrolled this one right here, I knew it was over. This is when I realized how wet my hair was, and I knew we were headed in a very bad direction. And I had no one to be mad at but myself, because I know better. Usually right before I take my curlers out, I will put my little blow drying cap on it for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And I did plan on doing it, but I had plans, y'all, and then time was just eating away, and I had to get these rollers out of my hair so I could finish getting ready. So I didn't have time to do a quick little blow dry, and I was stressing. So I'm just trying to see the process through. This is how it looked when all of the rollers were out. The ones in the front curled pretty good, but it's so inconsistent. So I'm just trying to play with it, y'all, because I was just trying. I had dinner reservations. We were already running late. So I really didn't have time to like think of anything for real. So yeah. You can see the disappointment all over my face.
Babe, I'm getting ready to have a meltdown. So I'm getting ready to have a meltdown. What the heck?
So yeah, y'all, I'm doing my edges because, I mean, that's really the only thing I could do at this moment. I ended up putting it, first I put it in a half up, half down. So that's what you see me doing here. So I did the half up and half down. I was like, I'm just, whatever, we're gonna have a little simple style tonight. And then once I got dressed, I didn't even like the half up and half down. I just ended up putting the whole thing in a ponytail and calling it a night. Yeah, that was the soft rollers on my locks, y'all. I definitely will be trying it again. I am going to make sure I allow my hair to dry. Again, this is all because of me. It failed because of me, but I will be trying it again.
That's what's giving, y'all. So thank y'all all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I'll see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.